That didn't shock me.
Make it brighter by increasing the voltage. See
Okay.
how we have 7?
Yeah.
Hold it there.
Put it to 10.
All right, hold
Or
it.
15.
Hold it still so you can see the brightness. Ready?
I'll try. Oh my goodness.
There's 10. And then back down to
Should we
7.
try it out in my hideout so we can see how it works in the dark?
Trying to sell their electric car because they've upgraded to a newer one, they can't shift them, they can't offload them on the market, and so the price goes down and down and down. So you can get great, well-running Nissan Leafs for $4,000 if you're patient. And so don't go to the junkyard or one of these auctions and spend more than that on a wrecked one that doesn't have a good title and that kind of thing. Because worst case, you get into this project and you decide to like bail on it, you can at least sell that car and get your money back, or most of it back, and have a good title and someone else can use it. So check your local listings if you're looking for some EV parts to put into your hot rod. But something like this, again, it came with originally like 60 horsepower, and that's if you're being generous and it's well tuned, maybe 69. And now it's got, I think, well over 140 horsepower. And so we damn near doubled it, maybe more if I went in there and tweaked some of the settings. Before we go out for a quick drive, like I mentioned, I'm gonna run around and see every place I can find one of those little zerts or whatever they're called, like little grease nuts for suspension parts, swing arms, bearings, any place where I can toss in some grease. I'm gonna do that. The stuff hasn't been there. The stuff that's in there is from the 80s. Or older. So if I can purge some of that old, put in some new stuff, I think will help out with the ride quite a bit, and some of the handling, and just generally keep it from seizing up or further damaging itself while we go for a drive here. So wish me luck.